What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Drama Official TV. Viewers, I one thing with Shibi live stream them. They're very entertaining. We know say Shibi can never ever keep in live. I know call Rosealee name. Yo! But you know say I feel like say them a ton big friend, one of them there. I feel say I know one thing. One of the things that too, I honestly feel like them a ton big friend one of them there. Cause I think them like them one another, you know. I think them a ton friend. But why? She be a really something. Why she be after the Rosealee bad so? No man, people don't listen to that video here.
No boy, when me I do it bed in a day time here, and you hear say the world so don't ask Rosealee, she not have nothing. Like she harmonize with Whitney Houston. Yeah. And you talk about bed. When you go with bed now, Pochi, you bring your army. That's why they want moderator because Rosealee saying your big crutches, Pochi. Rosealee could have never set me up. Rosealee not so bright. Remember say Rosealee head special. Remember Rosealee have a special head. Remember Rosealee not so bright. She could have never send you for boots me up. And when you send me 50 level teen lion, you would have never get moderator. I want the handicap short limb Rosealee. Rosealee with how much teen back. Rosealee back can scoop up like cement and put in a bucket. I want the nasty Rosealee. You and Rosealee shape like when ice no farm good. And we not talk about the one of foreigner Ivan and baby. We just talk about the liquid in general. You know, you can just see it. Yeah, we're not talking about nothing extra. I want the Rosealee. More Rosealee turn back when I argue with me. Poochie, anything Rosealee say, tell her say I lie. Tell her say you in your church now. Give up. Quit. Rosealee, you shake up looking. All when you turn sideways, people think you're gonna drop. The girl think you're gonna roll off of the bed, Rosealee, and you just sideways you're there. Eh? You know, she say you're back a war. Fight a go on behind you, Rosealee. Fight a go on. Your back them not green. Your back them not green. Fight a go on behind you. All when you lay down side with the foreign girl say you're rolling. She don't say not roll. She don't say why they roll you so. You know me not know that if I go up on the fattest loser. Them come them take that off of TV. Me go lobby feed. God no. Me go lobby feed. Rosealee a sin. I seen me want to rope your back. Nobody not call it from backways. Nobody don't call it from backways. Nobody could have never want your front way and call it backways. Them would have outer order. So everybody behind you not gonna answer. I want them Jews. Most of them people are going to my class, them nastiness. Why you come over here with Rosealee name? I will never chat that person of a program yet. Eh? This sweet. Why not suck out your situation? We never yet chat that individual power program. And you really come over here with a child name. Why you must do it? This is a place where we not chat people. And we not gonna do her that. So if she watch this, she go see me not chat her. And you ask a question if she open the door yet. Open what? You're supposed to pop up. You know, Rosealee little house supposed to smell like batty wall. You know, batty wall with soda and one wash. Yeah, you know, Rosealee house this sweet supposed to think. When I say think, I mean think. Rosealee just perspire so. You know, when the time cold, she just sweat. She look like she sweat out all odor. No, for true. She just, I can't stand up. My little old, I give up on me. Like it want to go up and leave. Me not understand how Rosealee can live like that and argue with people and that post them every day. Me say me want water Rosealee and make she grow like a sunflower. She wants some light. For true. I want to fight her with some water. I want water Rosealee and make sure grow like a sunflower. A long time the bitch didn't see light. Shanti! Since your mother can't bother get up, open the door! Open the door! Yeah, me not like it. No. You can imagine? Time at you know. Rosealee shot a photosynthesis for true. Rosealee want that. Rosealee, there's a vitamin lacking. Me not tell no lie. Your back just a farm. You just a farm. Your back not done. Your back just a farm. I don't remember which rock, if I igneous rock or metamorphic rock farming layers. I don't remember them. Right now I can't but I remember which one of them if I igneous. A igneous rock? A which rock? Igneous sedimentary? A igneous rock? Are you alone bright on the program? Because I told us a sedimentary. A sedimentary rocks farming layers. Which one farm under great heat and pressure? Igneous? Igneous rocks farm under great heat and pressure. Alright, yeah, that one. Yeah. Yeah, so Rosealee, I saw your back a go on. Your back sedimentary. For true, man. Our back not quit. So, Rosealee, if you should die, who you go will them back there too? Cause me full up. I wasn't doing people about me listen to my jail teacher. I go to school, I qualify, no care when I go on, I qualify. I just say stuff. Come don't want nobody pray me. So I never know some qualify. Them could never know qualify and go on so. Me never used to go Vauxhall at Rosealee school. Don't be rude. Rosealee leave from Ellison to Vauxhall. Me never used to go Vauxhall. Don't be rude. Immaculate to my thing. Immaculate. She need a BBB. Belly, breast and back. And then a BBL. Belly, breast and back. All who know wicked but Rosealee need a BBL. Rosealee need a BBB. Belly, breast and back. Everything gots to go. Everything gots to go. It's blue and white, sweetheart. Yeah, Rosealee got foreign, Rosealee give up. Then Rosealee look like she can't up train. Rosealee look like she gonna get up and go work. If Rosealee got foreign, if Rosealee got foreign right now, no, she gonna sit down. People, I'm loving you, but I'm gonna get myself together. Because I forgot to I forget about African and I forgot rehearsal. The boy I prison for get him food. I'm gonna give him food now. The one day, two of them are Horizon. Oh, how much of them are? Three of them are going GP. And Bull Bay now. My friend I forgot to Bull Bay. Gun coat of the woman named up there so. One quarter of the new Photogustus. Oh, rotten. I forgot to me I take two cousins and them get locked up on their after tree. That's why I don't like cook on Sunday, you know. I'm going to tell Alkaline. I'm going to post the food video. I'm going to see it. I'm going to see food video.